Good morning, guys.
Oh. Wow! Ano ti wow mo? Amo pa inigtutilugan mo. Ano ti wow mo, Sean? Wa! Say hi. Hello! Naman, wave your hand, anak. Hello! Ah. Oh. Oh. Don't throw, ah. Okay, open. Oh. Wow! Oh.
Ready to play? Let's learn the alphabet.
Oh, great ka ganutan.
Y is for M is Z is Z.
Yeah,
Z,
right. Why?
H. This is the letter
Kulit
U.
ang ubing.
This
Tukulit!
is the letter S. This is
Nakulit
the
ka
letter
na!
Y.
Bye-bye!